This is one of the freight elevators at 201 North Braddock Avenue in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was originally an old manual freight elevator, but sadly it got modernized with adding survivor fixtures. Still got the original Peelle doors. Anyway, it's here. One is burned out in the indicator, so let's open it up. Yeah, there are no passenger elevators here. All the passengers using this, the freight elevator. This is like the main elevator. Got a somewhat solid. I'm not sure if they use that anymore though. Go up to 6. Close the door. Go up. I think this has the original motor. That's an LED light. For some reason the doors don't open automatically on 1, but they open automatically on 6. I don't understand that. A bit bouncy. Yeah, this is obviously modernized. Yeah, 1 through 3 indicators burned out, 4 works. Black door. It's obviously painted. Yeah. Where's the 6? 6 is dim. Let's go back down to 1. Oh, I see it doesn't open automatically on 6. It did earlier, probably because someone got in. Do I have to open it? There's a lockbox that may go eventually. Certificate in the manager's office. Let's do a cab here while we wait. There's an emergency light, which is obviously added. Looks like old freight elevator. Looks like they don't use the back door anymore. I wonder if you have to open it. Here we go. Yeah, someone called up. Emergency light. Which works. It looks like someone may have called it. There's another one like this one now. I think that the door is left open on one. I think someone's been using that, but I'll try that one. There's also an original manual one here. Yeah, there's no passenger for sure. I think it's the main elevator in the building. Yeah, you can tell the doors used to be manual, but they converted them to power.